Hello, and welcome to another update video on Link. I'm here on the Link 2-day chart time frame, and from here the market might be starting a third wave to the upside, an internal third wave. Wave 3 basically of wave C in the yellow scenario, or wave 3 of wave 3 in the even more bullish scenario. Looks interesting. Yeah, looks kind of bullish at the moment. This can change. This can change quickly, right? This can change very, very quickly. However, for now, the structure looks good because we have a 5-wave move up from the April low and a corrective pullback and even a micro 5-wave move up from this circle wave 2 low. So we're going to talk a little bit about those parameters on the smaller time frame. Please note that once a low forms, then a third wave could send us higher quite quickly. Yeah, this would be a rally, wave 3 of C or wave 3 of 3, and then we can still get another 4-5 pattern. The idea is that the next move up could take us closer to that 100% Fibonacci extension level at $47. I'm not sure if Circle Wave 3 will get us there or only Circle Wave 5, but this could be one of the milestone targets, yeah, $47. Important is, of course, that we're now holding the April low. I mean, the reaction to the support area in April was quite promising. It's a 5-wave move up that developed. Yes, not an impulse, only a diagonal pattern, but that is not uncommon in crypto. I still like the Link chart. We do have a 5-wave move up also into the March 2024 high, and then a so-called running flat correction is just a great structure. It's just because it's bullish. A running flat, if this really is the low in April, then the wave C could not break below the wave A low because of the bullishness on this chart. Now, taking all of that bullishness, obviously, we have to take it with a pinch of salt because we are likely in the very late stages of a bull market. So I'm not sure how much of that projected rally really will materialize, but doesn't matter so much. In the very short term, we have a really decent reward to risk ratio on the in this setup basically. Yeah. So I would say we now take a look at the smaller time frame chart because it tells us a lot about what the micro support levels are now. I already talked about the April low, but what really is important is that we're also holding micro support. So we had the April low. I already shared with you that from this swing low in April, the market formed the 5-wave move up. Wave 1, Wave 2, Wave 3, Wave 4, Wave 5 should be clear. And then from up there, we had a corrective pullback into the support region. And from this area now, we've seen another rally. I can already see this as 5 waves up, okay? I can already see this as a micro 5-wave move up. So generally, this is typically a good indication that the bulls are motivated to continue to drive the price higher, to continue to lead, and send the price higher. A 5-wave move up. This is already a 3-wave pullback. It could be an A wave. We might now be working on a B wave and then could get a C wave to the downside. This would be our micro support area. Now, these levels, obviously, they are now based really on the smallest structure, so that can change very, very quickly. But overall, the thesis is that as long as we're holding $12.93, we should see the price grind higher over the coming weeks. This is a micro support area which might be tested. It would be ideal. It's not absolutely needed. And a break above the $40.48 level would possibly unlock prices but take that with a pinch of salt. These are moving targets, but could unlock prices in the area around $15.74, $16.15 here in this third wave. So all looking quite promising. What shouldn't happen now is obviously a break below that $12.94 level, because this would really challenge the directly bullish assumption. It wouldn't be a disaster. The chart could cope with one more lower low. If Circle Wave 2 forms another low, it wouldn't be a major problem. But overall, things are starting to look quite promising. I'll keep you updated. Hope you like the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure you follow us on X. Here on our X profile, you'll find additional updates, news, mindset stuff. We're building a community here as well on X, which is quite active, so you can join. And there are additional updates, sometimes also videos that are not covered on YouTube. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.